In this video, I'm going to show you how to open the rear door on a 4th generation Kia Sportage when the rear door mechanism has failed. To do this job, we're going to need some tools and some tape. We're going to start by removing the rubber seal that the door closes onto. Removing this seal will give us a bit more movement with the door card. With that removed, the next job was to remove the screw near the door closure handle. The door card should now just pull off. Now that the door card's removed, unhook the cable, give it a few good yanks, and it should open the door. To replace the faulty door mechanism, you need to strip down the full door to remove it. You need to remove the outer door handle and unfasten the cable. You need to undo the bolts that go into the window and tape the window up. Remove the Torx in the end of the door and take the whole door internals out in one. Here's the failed rear door mechanism. Let's take a closer look. So we've got this mechanism removed, and I've seen, well, from doing a bit of research online, people are saying that they think basically the problem is the cables are stretched. Because when they're getting the door stripped down, obviously you can get a bit more of an extra pull on that and it will open the door. Now then, it's not the cables, and I'll tell you why it's not the cables. And that is because it's highly unlikely that both this cable for the outer handle and the cable for the inner handle will both stretch and both not work at exactly the same time. So what it'll be the mechanism in here will be worn. It'll be a worn out mechanism. That's what it'll be. But because we're able to get a bit of an extra pull on here, it will pull obviously a bit more in there, what we need to get it to pop. But that's what it is. From me messing about with it and having a good look at it and how it works, I've come to the conclusion that it's the mechanism in here. So I've ordered a new one. I've ordered a new one for this side. And what I'm going to do with the other side, I'm going to strip it down. I'm going to have a look at it, and I'm actually going to see if I can do a bit of a bodge on the other side, just so we can use it for now. So you'll see I've done a bodge repair on this now. I've just used some lock wire and I've drilled the back there. I've drilled one of those lugs in there and I've put the lock wire through. I've lifted that slightly, where it clips in, where it would normally clip in. So it's now sat on top of where it would clip in, giving it more leverage. So that lock wire will hold it there and hopefully we'll get a bit more use out of it.